Unlike traditional watches, the face on an Apple Watch can be changed and customized. Currently, I only have one face installed on this watch. We can see this here in the Watch app on the iPhone. Tap on it here and the face can be edited. Over on the watch, tap and hold on the face and we get an edit option. I can make all the same changes here on the watch as I can over on the iPhone. Notice that when I switch the dial color to white, the change is reflected over in the Watch app. From here in the app, I'll change from multicolor to blue, which applies to the complications that exist around the center of this watch face. This face is called meridian. It has 4 areas that can contain a complication. Complications are extra pieces of visual data or buttons that can be added to the watch face. They can be edited in the Watch app or here on the watch. Currently, I have the date displayed in the top complication. Tap on it and we jump into the Calendar app. Over on the left, I have the current temperature displayed, the UV index over on the right, and on the bottom are my activity rings. Over in the Watch app, tap on any of these to switch to a different complication or turn it off. There's quite a wide variety of complications to choose from here, all categorized by app. I'm going to change my bottom complication from activity rings to what will be a quick button for the timer app. Now when I tap that complication on the watch, the timer app opens with a few options or the ability to add a custom timer. On the watch, we can edit a complication by tapping on it and then scrolling through the options. Tap 1 to load it as the complication. I'll replace the current temperature with a button that will launch my workout app. We are also able to turn complications off for a more minimalist look to a watch face. To do that, scroll to the top of the complications list and select off. So that's how to edit a watch face and its complications. Now let's add a second watch face. On the watch, I'll tap and hold on the face, and rather than tap edit, just swipe left. Tap new, and I can scroll through all the available watch faces. One of my current favorites is Solar Dial. So I'm going to add this one. I now have 2 watch faces on this watch, and I can quickly switch between each one with a swipe left or right. Tap and hold on the Solar Dial face to edit it. With this one, we can only switch between an analog or digital display of the time. We're not able to adjust the colors with this face. We can adjust or remove the 4 complications that exist over in the corners. To remove a face on the watch, go into edit mode and just swipe up. To do so from the watch app, tap edit and then the delete button next to the face that you want to remove. We can browse through and add watch faces on iPhone from the Face Gallery tab here in the Watch app. Apple regularly adds new faces and variations. Scroll through the various face styles and swipe left to view the different versions contained with each. Tap on a face and we can edit it. For this gradient face, I can adjust the color and style. We can also choose the dial to cover the full watch face with the gradient and no complications, or with circle selected here, complications can be added in each corner and even in the top middle. Tap the Add button, and that face is now available in My Faces in the Watch app, and of course on the watch. If you set up a watch face that you think a friend might like, you can share it. This will be done using the Messages app. We can also share faces from the Watch app. Notice that we have more sharing options here, including AirDrop and Mail.